Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are practicing article writing which will be there in your next revision test. So articles which have been asked in last 10 years question papers we are going to discuss, but before moving ahead uh, discuss let me revise once again the format of article writing. So first of all, as you all know, title is written. First of all, title is written, and while writing title you should keep remember, you should capitalize uh, first letter of each word. You should capitalize first letter of each word except preposition and article. If it is preposition or article you need not capitalize. Okay. After title, by, and then writer's name. Sorry. By, and then writer's name is written. Okay. Then your content should be in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Your content should be in 3 to 4 paragraphs. So first of all title, then byline, and then content in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay. Let me write down the question and show you the sample example on the board. You read an article on children and smartphones. You read an article on children and smartphones. You read an article on children and smartphones in a reputed magazine. In a reputed magazine. In a reputed magazine. Now write an article. Now write an article for your school magazine. For your school magazine, expressing your views about the same. Expressing your views about the same. You are Ajit Akshara, a student of 12th A. You are Ajit Akshara, a student of 12th A. You are Ajit Akshara of 12th A. Okay. So you read an article on children and smartphones in a reputed magazine. Now write an article for your school magazine expressing your views about the same. You are Ajit Akshara of 12th A. So let me grab it and write down the answer. First of all, we have to write the title as given here, children and smartphones. Children and smartphones. You need not capitalize a conjunction, preposition and article. And in rest word, first letter will be capitalized. What's your name? By Akshara or by Ajit 12th A. By Ajit 12th A. Okay. So in the first paragraph you will be giving the introduction, how smartphones are useful, or they are both. Every coins have two faces, so in the same way it has also two faces. It is good for those who are using it wisely, utilizing the internet. They are looking for the valuable things, and it is not good for those who are wasting their time on internet. Okay, this way you will have to write what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages. Then later you should give suggestion how one should limit the time of using such technology, and technology for our use. Let not technology use us. Let not technology control us. We should control over technology. Okay. So as you have seen, many people always they take the mobile for nothing and start searching unnecessary things. So all this way you are well aware that how people have become addicted to the mobile. They cannot live without mobile phones, without internets, how smartphones are spoiling their time. On the other hand, they are useful too. They are working like a computer. In 1 second you can search anything, any information you can look for in your mobile. So this way you will have to write both advantages and disadvantages. Later at the end of the article, in your conclusion, you must say it depends on the user how they are using it. It is good for those who are using it for valuable information, and it is not good for those who are wasting their time in searching the unnecessary things. Okay, so let me go through the model content. Children today live in a world where smartphones are in vogue and ubiquitous. Children are living in the world where smartphones are found everywhere. For them, it has become a necessity and they are eager to have their own. This fact has led many discussions about the ideal age for children to have their first smartphone. Many experts agree on the need for children to be mature and understand the disadvantages of what they have in their hand. They must be able to understand the dangers of sharing too many details of their personal life on the internet. They have to be aware that any information shared on the internet remains publicly available and can be easily misused. Last but not the least, they need to understand that keeping manners matters. In other words, what in the online world is known as internet etiquettes. Okay, that is important. Third paragraph, mobile will require parental supervision to protect children, to teach them how to properly use smartphones, to avoid possible problems, and finally to take responsibility for their misuse. Children must know that although the smartphone is a great resource of knowledge and information, it also brings many cons. So they must know how to take advantage of mobile phones while avoiding its misuse. Okay. Okay, so let me rub it and write down the next question. Places of pilgrimage. Question number 2. Places of pilgrimage. Places of pilgrimage have places of pilgrimage have turned more into tourist spots. Turned more into tourist spots. Turn more into tourist spots. They are losing their importance and grace. They are losing their importance. They are losing their importance and grace. Thereby disturbing nature too. Thereby disturbing nature too. You are Swati Sandeep Sharma. You are Swati Sandeep Sharma. Swati Sandeep Sharma. Okay, write an article on maintain the grace of pilgrimages. Okay, write an article on maintain the grace of pilgrimages. So places of pilgrimages have turned more into tourist spots. They are losing their importance and grace, thereby disturbing nature too. So you are Swati Sandeep Sharma, and you have to write an article on maintain the grace of pilgrimages. So let me write down the title on the board. Maintain the grace. The title is maintain the graces. Maintain the it is not graces. Grace of pilgrimages. Of pilgrimages. Okay, so you can see first letter of each word should be capital except article, preposition and conjunction. Okay, then by, as the name given, Sandeep Sharma. By Sandeep, whatever the name given in the question, you will have to write the same name. You are not supposed to write your own name. Okay, so how pilgrimages are becoming tourist spots, how the trees are being cut, how the areas are being occupied to make more comfortable for tourists. Earlier people used to go to such places for worship. Okay, so as a devotee, but these days they go to these places as to for picnic. So they have become more picnic spot more than the place where one can worship. Okay, so this way you will have to write down this article. So let me go through the model answer. In the present world, with tourism and travel spreading like wildfire, temples or places of pilgrimages have become a great place for satisfying the wanderlust. All times of a year, the location of the temples and its nearby places are flooded by tourists from all over the world to marvel the ancient beauties of the Indian culture. These epitomes of grace were popular places earlier as well. However, they were not easily approachable as most of them are located on the high mountains. So without proper roads or any other facilities, People used to visit these pilgrimages after facing a lot of hardships. In complete contrast, in today's scenario, wherein with the construction of road, hotels, etc., reaching these places have become a lot easier. Known for its holy and sacred nature, the pilgrimages are full of natural bounty. But with excess footfall, this nature is also exploited. The grace and dignity of the temples are polluted by littering left behind by the tourists. At such a juncture, it is our moral responsibility to understand the real essence of our architectural bounty and appreciate its true worth. Okay? So let me show you some more questions, some solved questions and some more questions for practice on your screen. From another supporting material, article writing. We all know very well, as we have gone through many times all the topics of writing part. So an article is a piece of writing on a specific topic forming an independent opinion expressed by a writer. It is the most advanced form of writing which presents information in a variety of theme. So this year it is going to be of 5 marks. We have discussed all this earlier. What are the main points which we must remember? We have also discussed. Okay, you can go through it. Already I have told you it should be in 3 to 4 paragraphs. So just let us go through some more solved example. You may also write your title in capital, or you can capitalize the first letter of each word except article and preposition. Declining ratio of girl-child. It is a great irony that a country where women are worshipped for power and energy, they are facing a kind of extinction, thereby bringing down the ratio. The birth of a son is a cause for great rejoicing with the drumming, singing and public proclamations, but that of a girl is an occasion for disappointment or at the best indifference. The main cause of declining ratio of girl-child is the fact that the large number of malnutrition and disease which are either not treated or treated inadequately. The girls are killed even before their birth. The practice of pre-birth sex selection has spread rapidly through all castes and groups. So this way, dear students, you can go through it. Religion and caste exercise an influence over mortality rates. The lower of the status of women in a particular section of the population, the higher the number of female deaths. Child marriages, early pregnancy, malnutrition during pregnancy, lack of medical treatment, physical torture, rapes and unequal status in the society make them the child of lesser gods. It is really a cruel joke that the mother of humanity is no one's child. The maker of the home does not leave a home. The creator is destroyed mercilessly in the hands of her own near and dear ones. Even the womb of her mother is not a safe home for her, as she is cruelly terminated by her survivors, that is, parents and medical practitioners. So, byline can be written at the end of article 2. So, this way, dear students, already you have gone through many examples, once again showing you, so that you can recall, you can revise. This is also a solved example. You can take the screenshot, or the same material has been shared with you, so you can once again practice all the questions and get the perfection. Okay, once again showing the solved example. Here you can see byline in the beginning. It can also be written in the end. Your article should be in 3 to 4 paragraphs. It should be well organized on Make in India. Okay, so I have shown you here the various solved examples, and the material which we are going through has been issued by CBSE. So you must go through all solved examples and practice them. Okay. Plenty of examples are given here. You must go through them, rewrite them in your own words, as they are very important. Speech writing is not there in this year. Topics for article writing: brain drain, value education, gender inequality, cyber world, boon or bane, importance of sports, print media or news channel, advantages, children learn what they live with. Okay, so we have discussed many questions. Solved examples have also been shown here. With the format, and already a lot of discussion have been done regarding article writing. So please, dear student, also you can keep remember the page number, that is 112 till 112. In the supporting material you will find article writing. Okay, and let me show you the big page number from which it begins. Here it begins from page number 105 in the supporting material. Article writing begins from the page number 105. So must go through them. You can also pause the video and write down, but you had better to practice question from this supporting material which has been shared with you. It has also been uploaded on Snap Homework. And more question, you need not go beyond what we have discussed, because this is too much. The material which I have showed you before this, having a lot of questions for practice. So you need not practice in one day, as it is 15th February today. So you have still enough time. At least you should practice one question in all types of writing part daily. Still many students are confused in report writing and article writing, so that is why I have separated them in this revision test, but still they are making mistakes. So please watch all the videos and videos on report 2 which have been uploaded a few days ago, when it you know as we have been revising the syllabus according to your revision test 3. So if you want to watch the video on report, so you should check where when your that part of revision test 3 was conducted, in which report was there. So you can find the video on report writing during those dates. Okay. So dear students, I think I have shown you the enough examples and questions, and need not show you more questions, because these things are enough for you. And please, dear students, whether it is solved or unsolved example, you should write down all the questions in your notebook, all the important points, and must practice them. Unless you practice, you won't be able to express properly. It is not just go through the materials, whatever given in the material which are being shared, videos which are being uploaded, you should note them down in your notebook, and practice questions are there. You must practice. Without practice, you cannot express them well. Not you, no one can express anything in writing part well until and unless he starts writing. So whatever, whether it is the questions from literature, questions from writing, questions from anywhere, if they are being discussed in the videos, so you should note them down. So it's all about this video. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'll discuss some other topics related to your next revision test.